As companies are globalizing, more and more we are relying on people from other parts of the world to help us get things done. And most managers find that cultural differences impact their effectiveness. So what I help people do is better understand those from other countries and decode how to be more effective. After graduating from university, I was hired by Dannon Group to travel to 15 countries and to interview their employees in each of those countries about a performance management system. When your employees are in different countries, you might find that they're motivated by entirely different things. When your clients are in different parts of the world, you might find that how to negotiate effectively with them differs a lot from one country to another. So I went from country to country. I interviewed dozens, hundreds of people, and I asked them questions about how they thought that their staff's performance should be rated. And I also asked them questions about how they thought their boss's performance should be rated. So I provide a system for helping people to understand those differences. Instead, we need to start being able to tease out these differences and how different cultures see one another. In my speeches, I get the Chinese speaking, the French speaking, the Indian speaking. So when they leave the room, they're not just thinking, wasn't that interesting what Erin said, but wasn't that interesting what we heard from one another?